Hello, how are you, kids? So, have you done your homework? Is Lavya?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Minoshi. Still, I can't see Lavya. Weeping Lavya. Yes. Last week, can you remember I have done time lesson? Who can summarize the lesson? Janiru? Not actually the last week. Uh, Day before last week, actually. Anyone remember what I have done? No? Okay, let me share my screen. Can you see my screen, Pute? Minoshi?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Have you done this homework, Putala? Hmm? Senuk? And who's this DSH Jayasinghe? What's the child name, please? And you have to on your cameras. Hi, Janiru. How are you?
Good teach.
Good. Have you done the homework?
Yes, teach.
Okay. So from here onwards, we have to discuss, isn't it? Yeah. Senuk, are you joining from today onwards? So, hi, Anya. Yes, let me go through the slides again a little bit. I have discussed about leap year. Can you remember? What's a leap year? Anyone can explain? Janiru, tell me what's a leap year? Hi, Anya. Hi, Setuki. Can you remember? Hmm? What is a leap year? How do we find a leap year? Hmm?
Leap year has 366
Good
days.
evening, teacher.
Hello, good evening. Yes, Anya, correct. And how do we find it? By looking at the year itself, we can't say that year has 366 years. To define that year as a leap year. අධික අවුරුද්දක් කියලා කියන්න අපිට බෑ ඒක ඊයේ එක දිහා බලපු ගමන්. Isn't it? So what's the method? I have teach.
February has 29 days.
That's another way. But looking at the year itself, we can't say any. Isn't it, Januru?
Divided by 4.
Divided by 4. It actually divisible by 4, which means what? Remainder is
0.
0. Remainder කියන්නේ ඉතුරු නැතුව බෙදෙනවා. ඉතුරුව බිංදුවයි. Okay. So then we have discussed about, let me go back to the slide number 1. Yes. We have defined what's the time is and ancient time. How do we measure the time? By looking at the sun and sundial. We had discussed about sundial. What is it? How the shadow helpful for the ancient time people to find the time. Then there are different types of clocks in the recent world. So what are they? Analog clocks, which has this hands, minutes, hour, and minute and second hands. Then there are digital clocks. It represents the time using the integer values. And different types of clocks are available. Then we have discussed about AM and PM. Anyone can remember what's the AM? How do we define AM?
Anti-meridian.
Anti-meridium, it's correct, Pute. But how do we tell? If we, for example, here it's 6 a.m. It's early morning. How do we say it's a.m.? What's the boundary? Can you remember?
Before 12 it is AM. After 12 it's PM.
Yes, correct. After 12, it means midnight. Before, from the midnight to l- next day, 11:59 a.m., it's a.m. Isn't it, Janiru? Setuki? Can you remember?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Then we have discussed about PM. How do we define PM?
Post meridian.
Post meridian, but what's the boundaries? Time from 12 noon.
12 noon to 11:59 p.m.
PM in the midnight. Okay, 12 noon means dawal 12. 12 noon to 11:59 p.m. Midnight. What's the notation for 24 hour? Can anyone remember? It's 0000 H. 4 zeros H. Okay. Then we have discussed about the units of time. So let me show you one thing on the board. So I am stop sharing this thing and you can see my whiteboard. මගේ whiteboard එක බලන්න පුතේ. ඔයගලන්ට පේනව නේද ඔක්කොටම කොළ පාට screen එක?
Yes.
Yes.
Not
So,
easy.
who said no?
Lag.
Lavya, please. Are you logging using the phone නේද?
Yes, teacher.
Let me reshare my screen here. Then I'll
Okay,
stop.
I can see.
Okay. Sorry. Now see? Can you see?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now look at my board. I am going to show you an easy way to remember how to convert the time here. What is this? It's a staircase. Okay. So I define seconds here. First step is seconds. The second step is Puta? Minutes. Yes. The third step is hours.
Hours.
Okay. What is the easiest way? Easiest thing to do is that climbing up to the ladder or stepping down from the ladder. What's the easiest thing?
Climb.
Huh?
Win.
Climbing is hard. Ambo kakul riddenawa. We can't climb. What about? Kandin palhata බැහැගෙන එනවා. What happened?
Climb down.
Yes, it's very easy. No? When we get down from a mountain, it's really easy. Dongala dugana enna puluwa. It's easy. So there are two types of calculations here. But you know division is hard. Isn't it? Division me bedima hari amaru වැඩක් අප්පා. It's very hard. Then multiplication. Let me write down multiplication. Or in Sinhala guna kirima. By considering division, it's easy. Rather than division. So when step down from the staircase, we have to use multiplication. I am telling you how to convert these hours to minutes, then minutes to seconds. So we have to use multiplication operation, which is very easy method. Let's assume this way. So they are trying to climb up to the ladder. මේ පඩිපෙළ උඩට නගින්න යන්නේ අම්බෝ අමාරු වැඩේ කරන්න යන්නේ. We are going to do the difficult thing. So it's division operation. So it's hard. Okay. Now, what's the relationship between these seconds and minute? Any idea? Janiru, tell me. Vetuja Puta, do you know what's the relationship between seconds and minute? We know 1 minute is equals to how many seconds, Pute? 60 seconds. Very good. Very good. So, it's 60. So, since we are climbing up. It's hard when we want to convert seconds to minutes. We have to divide by 60. Now, what's the relationship between minutes to hours? We need to convert whatever value.
1 hour equals to 60 minutes.
Very good. Equals to 60 minutes. So, here the relationship is 60 between the minutes and hours. So, what we have to do here is division because we are climbing up this ladder. Now, let's assume there is a value representing hours. Okay. So, here we have to climb down or step down. Not climb, it's step down. So, what's the relationship? Minute, 60 minutes. It represents
1 hour.
1 hour. So here we have to multiply with it with 60. And we need to convert minutes to second. What we have to do is it's also multiply with 60. Now we know the formula. Isn't it? අපි දැන් දන්නවා දැන් anything we can convert from here to here. Now let's assume there's a value like this. The question is like this. We have to convert 2.5, 2.5 hours to seconds. Now what we have to do? Any idea? වෙතුජ තේරුණාද පුතේ? අපිට ඕන වෙනවා මේ පැය දෙකමාර සෙකන්ඩ්ස් වලට හරවලා කියන්න. දැන් multiply කරන් තිනේ. Very good. It's the operation is multiplication. But how many steps we have to jump? 1,
2.
2. By stepping down these 2 steps, we have to pass, multiply with 61 times, and again we have to multiply it with 60. Understood? Anya, understood? දෙපාරක්. So we have to multiply 2 times with 60. So here's the answer. We have to multiply 2.5 hours with 60 first to convert these to minutes. Then the entire minutes part, we have to again multiply with 60 to convert it to seconds. Understood? පුතාලට තේරුණාද? වෙතුජ, ජනීරු, අන්‍යා, තව අපේ ලව්‍යා, මිනෝෂි, සෙතුකි, everyone? Okay?
Yes, teacher.
If you want better, you can write it down on your notebook. Yes. The thing is, it's really important. I'll show you another example for stepping up, division.
Teacher, should we find the answer for that?
It's good if you can find the answer. I just wanted to show you the method, but it's really important in the exam. You have to get the answer. Otherwise, they will not give you the marks.
The answer I got is 360.25.
Okay. Good. Use rulers, huh? Here you are doing the maths lesson. So use the rulers to mark these arrows and draw these steps. It's really important. This is the mathematics lesson. So your book should be very neat and carefully maintained. Hmm? It's okay if you just wrote it down on your hand. That's okay. But anyway, in future you have to use the rulers. Huh?
Okay, teacher.
Yes. If you want, you can use color pens. Okay? Because those colors really helpful you to understand the information or the material. Once you have done, let me know. I need to give you the next example to step up here. 1 hour seconds. Once you have done, try this number 2. 3600 seconds into hours.
Teacher, should we write the answer or should we find the method?
Both, it's good. Huh? You have to write the method here, then get the answer. Have you done the homework, Lavia?
Yes, teacher.
Oh, good girl. Minoshi done. Very good. What about the others? You have to do your work very fast. Huh? Since this is the maths lesson, I always told you. Accuracy and the speed is must. You should be faster and the answer should be accurate. හයියෙන් කළා වැරදි උත්තරේ ගන්නත් බෑ. හිමින් කළා හරි උත්තරේ ගත්තත් බෑ. Okay? මැත්ස් කරන අය හරි ෆාස්ට් වෙන්න ඕනේ. ටක් 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 ගාලා චක්කර පුළුවන් වෙන්න ඕනේ. ජනීරු චක්කර පුළුවන් නේද?
පුළුවන්.
Okay, okay. Let me ask one day. I'll taking the multiplication tables. Vetuja done? How about Setuki?
No.
Okay, Putte. May I know the name of this kid? Sevandi 101. What's the name, Putte?
Tenuk.
Tenuk. Okay. Here, let me explain number 2 as well. Here, this time represent in seconds. We change the color here. It represents seconds. So, it's in the down of the staircase. Now, it's asking us to climb up to find it in hours. So, it's hard. Climbing up the ladder is hard. So, here we have to do which operation, Tenuk? Lavya, which operation?
Divide.
Division. Very good. Yes. So, how many times and from what we have to divide here? We have to jump
60.
1, 2. 2 times we have to jump. Here we are passing 62 times. So, what's the operation here? 3600 divided by 60 into 60. Understood. Why I wrote 60 into 60 as the denominator here? හරේ විදිහටයි ලිව්වේ කියලා දන්නවද? තේරුණාද ඒක? තේරුණ නැත්නම් අහන්න මම මේක simplify කරලා කියලා දෙන්නම්. Let me know when you can't understand this statement why I wrote 60 into 60 as the denominator here.
Because when you multiply it, it's the same answer.
Let me show you. Putala, can I erase this part? Yes or no? Can I erase this part?
Okay, teacher.
Okay. Anyway, recording is there. I started the recording this time, Lavya.
Mm,
Okay.
that they didn't do.
Yes, I forgot. Yes.
Mm,
First, we need to convert this 3600 seconds into minutes. For that, we need to divide it with 60. So here, this is the answer, 3600 divided by 60. Again, we need to convert this to hours. So again, we need to divide the entire thing by 60. Do you know, here we are doing some magic here. Let me show you what's that magic. Instead of this division mark, we can write multiplication and we can use reciprocal, parasparaya. What is the parasparaya? I'll explain you. Reciprocal means is 1/60. Reciprocal. Let me write down that word, parasparaya. Here we are using reciprocal. What is that reciprocal? Appalut vachanaya parasparaya. Let's take, shall I erase this part, Pute? Staircase?
Okay, teacher.
Others, please
Okay,
cancel.
teacher.
Yeah, let me erase then. Can't an entire thing went away. That's okay. It's 3600 seconds. First, we need to convert into minutes. It's 3600 divided by 60. So again, we have to convert it to hours. Then the entire 3600 divided by 60 should be divided by 60. In mathematics, Pute, instead of this division operation, we can use multiplication. But you have to remember, let me write down the entire thing here, 60. Instead of this division operator, we can write multiplication. But we have to take the reciprocal of this 60. What is this reciprocal? පරස්පරය අපි කියනවා. මොකක් හරි ඉලක්කමක් තියෙනවනේ. If there is a number like this, let's take 2. We know there is a 1 under here as the denominator. This is the denominator. What is this, Lavya?
The numerator.
Numerator. Very good. So in reciprocal, we have to switch these positions here. 2 goes down as the denominator and 1 goes up. This is the reciprocal of 2. Got it? Everyone understood. තේරුණාද පුතාලා? විතුජ
Yes.
තේරුණාද
Yes.
පුතේ?
Yes.
Now Vetuja, tell me what's the reciprocal of 3? Here Pute, there is a 1 under here. 3 එකෙන් බෙදුවහම ඒත් 3මනේ.
1 upon 3. 1 upon 3.
Yes. Vetuja, understood පුතේ? 3 කියලා කිව්වම මෙතන අපිට පේන්නේ නැතුව අපි ලියන්නේ නැහැ. හැබැයි මෙතන පල්ලෙහා 1 තියෙනවා. මොකද දන්නවද? 3 එකෙන් බෙදුවහම ඒත් උත්තරේ 3මනේ. Sorry.
Yes.
ඒ නිසා පුතේ අපිට 3 වෙනුවට මෙහෙම ලියන්න පුළුවන්. So පරස්පරය කියන්නේ ලවය විදිහ තියෙන එක හරයට යනවා, හරේ තියෙන එක ලවයට යනවා. පරස්පර හෙඩ්ඩට පල්ලෙහාට මාරු වෙනවා වැඩි. Okay, it's switching. The numerator අපි මේකට කියනවා numerator කියලා. මේ ලියලා තියෙන්නේ. හරයට කියනවා numerator, denominator is the Lava is the numerator, Hare is the denominator. So after switching this, the reciprocal of 3 is 1 over 3. Got it, Vetuja? Janiru?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Janiru? Anya? Lavya?
Yes, teacher.
Senuk?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So in mathematics, we can switch this division operation with the multiplication, but we need to take the reciprocal of the next number. So that's how we got 3600 divided by 60 into 60. Lavya now understood. It's not a
Yes.
magic. Okay. So what's the answer here? We can cut these zeros, cancel out. Then 6, 1, 3, 36, it's 6 again. Again, we can cancel out. So the answer is what? 1 hour. තේරුණා නේද පුතාල ඔක්කොටම?
Yes.
Understood?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Yes. Now let's move to the slides again. Here. Yeah, these are the units of time. We have explained the seconds, minute and hours. Months and years also the same. You can draw the staircase and mark the, like, for example, per year it has 12 months. The relationship of that staircase, you can write it as 12. So likewise, you can calculate here and there. Okay. Okay, let's move to the next slide. Here's the relationship. You know these things, I know. Yeah. Then we have discussed about what's the decade is, isn't it? Lavya, can you remember? So time period is from 1941 to
Yes,
decades
teacher.
mean? Yes, very good. A time period of 10 years. From 1941, 1st of January to 1950, 31st of December. How we define the decade? How we name the decade? Can you see the highlighted part here? Take the end time and highlight the 3 first digit of the year. That's the decade. It's 195th decade. So likewise, I have explained. Let's move to the next slide. These are the centuries. Senuk, are you playing cricket?
Yes.
Okay, what's the century? Tell me, Pute. Tell me in Sinhala. That's not a problem. We are Sinhala people. Don't be shy. Tell me in Sinhala. What's the century?
Teacher,
Yes.
today is my first day.
Okay. I know. I'm asking you, are you playing cricket? What's the century? Century එක ගහනවා කියන්නේ cricket වල අහලා තියෙනවනේ. ආ 100ක් ගහලා නැද්ද? 100ක් ගහලා නැද්ද? න century එක ගහනවා. 100ක්. If the cricketer scored 100 marks, we are saying century. That bat එක උස්සලා පෙන්නන්නේ කට්ටිය. තියෙනවනේ. That's the century. Okay. ඔන්න අමතක කරන්න එපා. සෙනුක් සෙන්චරි ගහන්න ඕනේ ඊට පස්සේ. Okay. Okay. So a time period of 100 years is called a century. So how do we define this century, Pute? Here we define 2001, 1st of January to 200, 2100, 200. 2100, 31st of December. Here we take the first 2 digit of the end year and we define the century. It's 21st century. Okay. තේරුණාද සෙනු? Okay. Then millennium. We are calling it's Sahasraya. අවුරුදු 1000ක්. It's the time period of 100,000 years, not 100,000 years. Okay. So here 1 to 1000, it's first millennium. 1001 to 2, it's second millennium. You can say, see, ne? The last year, first digit is the now name of the millennium. 2000, it's second millennium. 3000, what's the millennium? Janiru?
Third millennium.
Third millennium. Very good. Lavia, tell me, it's 6000, what's the millennium? Sixth millennium. Senuk, tell me, if 4000, what's the millennium?
Fourth millennium.
Fourth millennium. Very good. Okay. Then we have discussed about the leap year. අධික අවුරුද්ද කියන්නේ මොකක්ද කියන එක. And by looking at the year, year එක දිහා බලලා අපි කොහොමද කියන්නේ මේක අධික අවුරුද්දක්ද කියලා. year එක දිහා බලලා අපිට කැලෙන්ඩර් එකේ පෙබ්‍රුවරි වල 29ක් තියෙනවද කියලා we can't see. We can't see how many number of days are in February. By looking at the year, as our love, we are told we have to divide this year by 4. මේ year එක අරගෙන 4ෙන් බෙදුවොත් there is no remainder. හරිද? ඉතිරි නැහැ. හරිද? ඉතිරි නැත්තම් අපි කියනවා ඒක අධික අවුරුද්දක් කියලා. එදා මං කියලා දුන්නා නේද? Why this extra 1 day? Earth takes about 365.25 days to go around the sun. Can you remember that theory, Lavya? That's why it comes after 4 years, ne? Why? 0.25 into 4 means it's 1 day. That 1 day, extra 1 day added to the 4th year. That's why it came as 366 days. සෙනුක්ට තේරුණාද මං කියපු දේ? නෑ නේද? මං කියන්න පොඩ්ඩක් බලන්නකො බෝඩ් එක කමන්නේ. එදා රෙකෝඩින් එකක් නැති වුණානේ. Let me erase this board. Yes. එදා මං කියලා දුන්න පොඩි චක්කරයක්. Can you remember everyone? Here we know to make 100. What we can do like this. 100 හදන්න පුළුවන් මෙහෙම 50 දෙකට කැඩුවොත් if we divide it into two parts it's 50-50. Again we can divide this 50 as 25. Very good. And 25. Isn't it Anya? Can you remember Pute?
Yes, teacher.
25. Now this is the integers ne මේ පූර්ණ සංඛ්‍යා. Let's think about like this. It's 1.0. I am going to divide into two parts. Senduk, tell me what is the number we have to write it here? Can you tell me? Oh, I forgot I wrote it. Senuk, tell me. 0. පුතේ 0.5.
5.
දශම පහක් එන්න ඕනේ නේද? ඔව් මෙතන දශම පහ අර බිංදුව අඩු වෙච්ච එක විතරයි තියෙන්නේ මෙතන. Here also 0.5. If we divide this again further, what we get? Tell me. Yes. Anya, what's the answer here? Yeah. Zero point 0.25 පුතේ. මේක දෙකට බෙදුවම්. Again 0.25.
5.
Here also 0.25. Very good. 0.25. So මේ දැන් ඉර කැරකෙන්න ගන්නවලු 365.25. ඔන්න ඊළඟ අවුරුද්දේ then in the next year 365.25. Why 365.25? 365.25. Then 0.25 කීයක් තියෙනවද මෙතන? How many 0.25s are there? It's 4, which means 1. That's why we take that extra 1 day to the next year. So that's why it comes as 366 days. තේරුණා නේද පුතාලට? Understood?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. I have explained that as well. Yes. Let me share my screen again. Sorry. It went here. Okay. Now we have the activities. And before that, shall we move to find the durations, Pute? Have we discussed this, Lavya? Duration?
No, teacher. We didn't
No.
even do the activities.
Yes. Shall we do this first, then move to the activities? Huh? Okay.
Okay.
New lesson. Do you want to drink some water and come?
Teacher.
Anyone want? Please go and come. Drink water and come. මේ දවස්වල රස්නේ ටක් ගාලා ගිහින් එන්න.
Sir,
Yes, පුතේ.
we did the activities now.
Previous one we did?
Huh.
Yes or no? Pute, I can't hear.
Yes.
Yes, we did. Okay. That's okay then. Let's continue this thing. Senuk, don't you want to drink water?
No.
Okay. Okay, we'll continue within 2 minutes, huh? 4:42. Now it's 4:40. 4:42. Let's continue. What's your school, Pute? Senuk?
අම්කාවන්දිස මහාවිද්‍යාලය.
Okay. Ampara district නේද?
Yes.
අයියා කෙනෙක් ඉන්නවා මගේ ක්ලාස් එකේ grade 8 අම්පාර. හැබැයි එයා සසෙක්ස් කොලෙජ් ද කොහෙද? ඔව්. ලකුණු හම්බුණාද බබාලට? තාම නෑ. ලේසිද මැත්ස් පේපර් එක? ලේසි නෑ. මැත්ස් අමාරු කරගන්නේ ඕගොල්ලෝ තමයි. ටීචර්ට බැලලා වැඩක් නෑ. හැමදාම ගණන් ගොඩක් හදන්න ඕනේ.
Teacher, today we got maths marks.
How's it?
Bit hard, I got 80.
Very good නේ. Superb. Okay. We'll try to score 100 then. Hmm?
Okay, teacher.
You can do it. Not only you, others also can do. You have to memorize the multiplication table, use easy techniques, and use your memory. Okay? හැමතිස්සෙම බය වෙන්න එපා maths වලට. maths කියන්නේ අමාරු subject එකක් නෙමෙයි. Okay, everyone is back. It's 4:42. Yes. Can you see my screen, Putala?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Yes. So what's the time duration and what's the importance of it? Any idea? No. Let me teach you. So duration means it's a time difference between two times. Here, what's the most important thing is what's the two times mean? There are two times. It can be the start time and the end time. End time. Here, start time and the end time. So what's the duration means? You know, end time usually greater than start time. Isn't it? Understood, Putte. End time is greater than start time. Understood. තේරුණාද? අවසාන වෙන වෙලාව හැමතිස්සෙම පටන් ගන්න වෙලාවට වඩා අගයින් විශාලයි. දැන් 24-hour clock එක ගත්තොත්. If we consider 24-hour clock also, let's take school start at 7:30 a.m. End time means 1:30 p.m. which means 13:30. So it's greater than start time. 13:30 is greater than 7:30. Here also you can see start time is 6:30 a.m. which is smaller than the end time 7:25 a.m. So what's the duration? How do we calculate? This is the way. We have to subtract start time from end time. end time එකෙන් start time එක අඩු කරලා තමයි duration එක ගන්න ඕන. ඕක මතක තියාගන්න ඕන. Okay. Let's do an activity. Okay. Here are 4 trains. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 trains. So, you have to order these trains based on the duration. What's the order? It's ascending to descending. So, for that, what do you first need to do is calculate the time duration for train 1, then train 2, train 3, and train 4. Likewise, try to calculate the duration. Can you remember the formula? End time minus start time. First example, 9:50 minus 9:05 is the duration. Likewise, try the other 3 as well. And tell me the order. Ascending to descending කියන්නේ පොඩි එකේ ඉඳලා ලොකු එකට ආරෝහණ පිළිවෙලට. Descending අයියෝ උලන් ගියා වගේ. ලොකුවට තිබිලා එකපාරට උලන් යනවා. ලොකු එකේ ඉඳලා පොඩි එකට descending. Okay? මම මේකට දෙන්නේ ඕගොල්ලන්ට 5 minutes. ඉක්මනට try කරන්න ඕන. ස්පීඩ් එකත් එපේ. නේද සෙනුක්? වෙතුජ පුතා තේරුණාද?
Teacher,
ඔව් පුතේ. හා
තව
කරන්න.
පාරක් කියන්නකෝ.
මේක
කරන්න ඕනේ.
මේක හා මෙතන තියෙනවා පුතේ trains 3ක්. There are 4 trains. Okay? First you need to find the time duration taken by first train and the second train and the third train. එක එක train ගත කරපු කාලය අපි හොයන්න ඕනේ. අපි time duration එක හොයන්නේ වෙතුජ පුතා end time එකෙන් අඩු කරන්න ඕනේ start time එක. අවසන් කරපු වෙලාවෙන් start time එක අඩු කරලා හැම එකේම මුලින් durations හොයන්න. You have to find the duration for each train. Then you need to order the trains. මේවා අනුපිළිවෙලට හදන්න ඕනේ. මොන අනුපිළිවෙලටද? ascending to descending. කියන්නේ පොඩි එකේ ඉඳලා අඩුම ටයිම් එකක් ගත්ත ට්‍රේන් එකේ ඉඳලා වැඩිම ටයිම් එකක් ගත්ත ඕඩර් එකට හදන්න බලන්න. තේරුණා නේද වෙතුජ? Understood පුතා? Okay, try it now.
Teacher, I am finished.
Who's this? Anya, very good පුතේ. අපි බලමු.
Teacher, finish.
Okay, good. Let's finish others also. Vetuja is still there නේ. පුතාලට මං කියන එක ඉංග්‍රීසි වලින් තේරෙන්නේ නැත්නම් ටක් ගාලා මාව නවත්තලා අහන්න ටීචර් මට තේරුන්නේ නැහැ කියලා. Okay? You can stop me and ask again if you can't understand. There is no restriction.
Teacher, I am finished.
Who's this? Setuja, very good. Okay, let me share my screen. Now you can see my board, isn't it?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Anyone can explain here. The train one is started from, let me take another color, 9:05, then it ends 9:50. Why I wrote this 9:50 first? Any idea? ඇයි මම මේ 9:50 මුලින් ලිව්වේ?
Because that's the end time.
End time. And what's the formula? මොකක්ද අපි හොයන්න යන සූත්‍රය?
Subtracting
Subtracting end time
from start time.
start time. Sorry, start time subtract from the end time. So this is the end time. I wrote it as A, end time. ඉවර වෙච්ච වෙලාව. Okay? Then this is the start time. I wrote it as S. So the formula is duration is end time. Sorry, end time minus start time. This is the formula. So we have to subtract. දැන් කියන්න බලන්න මට උත්තර ටික.
45.
45. No hours නේ. 0 hours. එහෙම නේද වෙතුජ? පුතා?
Yes.
Yes. Then if we subtract this, what's the answer here?
30 minutes, 0 hours.
Very good. Here.
22 minutes,
22
0
minutes,
hours.
0 hours.
හරි හොඳයි. Very good. Here.
5 minutes,
and
1 hour.
Very good. 1 hour and
5
5
minutes.
minutes. අම්බෝ දැන් එතකොට ඉක්මනටම ඇවිත් තියෙන train එක මොකද්ද? Who is the fastest? Which train?
4.
4,
third train.
දෙන්න එපයි දෙකක්.
3, 3.
වෙලාව වැඩිපුරම ගන්න එකද ඉක්මනට එන්නේ. ඒක ඉමින් බඩ ගාගෙන එන්නේ. ඒක නෙච්චර වෙලාවක් ගන්නෙ. That train coming very slow. So that's why it's taking more time, පුතේ. Okay? හරිද? So this is the slowest train. Sorry. Slowest train. Which one is the fastest? Hmm?
3rd.
3.
3.
Train
This is the fastest. Very good.
Teacher, should we find from ascending?
Ascending order, Putta. Yes. Smaller time to, which means the fastest to slowest. That's the order. වෙතුජ අපි හොයන්න ඕනේ පුතේ ඉක්මනටම ආපු ට්‍රේන් එකේ ඉඳලා අඩුවෙන් හිමීම් එන ට්‍රේන්. මොකද හිමීම් එන ට්‍රේන් එක තමයි වැඩිපුර කාලයක් අරන් තියෙන්නේ. ascending order එක කියන්නේ අපි මෙහෙම ලියනවා. කෙටියෙන් ascending කියන්නේ පොඩි එකේ ඉඳලා ලොකු එකට යනවා නම්. එහෙම නැත්නම් big value small value to big value. තේරුණා නේද පුතාලට? So big value has the slowest train because it's taking more time, 1 hour and 5 minutes. And fastest train taking the lesser time. So what's the order? Tell me someone please. What's the
Third.
order?
3,
T3, train 3, then
2,
train 2, very good.
train 1,
Train 1, very good.
Train
train
4.
4.
Train 4. So this is the answer, Putti.
3 to 1.
3, 2, 1, 4. Okay. Let's go to the...
3 to 1.
No, if you won't write it down. Vetuja, Janiru, anyone need? You can write it down.
I wrote it already.
Okay. You are like the train, what? 3. Which is the fastest train.
Mm.
Minoshi, done Putte?
I also
Yes.
wrote it.
Okay, good, good. Understood, Minoshi? And Setuke?
Yes, teacher.
Yes,
Okay,
teacher.
very good. අපි ගණන් කරනකොට usually පුතා when we are doing the calculations we should not be hurry. ලව්‍ය? හැමතිස්සෙම කලබල වෙන්න එපා. අපි ගොඩාක් හොඳට කියවන්න ඕනේ. We have to read carefully and focus. Tune. දෙට බලන්න මේ මොකද්ද මේ කියන්නේ? මොකද maths වල in mathematics everything given on the question are the facts. You have to take the advantage of that each and every fact to do the calculation, especially in the word problems. වගන්ති ලියන ගණන් වල එහෙම. Read it carefully. Okay? Don't be hurry. Isn't it, Anya? අපි කලබල වෙන්න හොඳ නැහැ. Okay. Shall I erase the board? Oh, stop sharing. Vetuja Putta, can I erase the board?
Wait, teacher.
Okay, okay. Are you writing the letters or the numbers one in one squared rule නේද? එක ස්ක්වයර් එක එක ඉලක්කමයි නේද ලියන්නේ?
Yes, teacher.
අන්න
Yes,
එහෙම
teacher.
ලියන්න ඕන නැත්නම් එහෙම හරි පටලැවිල්ලක් වෙන teacher will not give you the marks. She has to take a magnifying glass to correct your exam papers. හරිද සෙතුකි, මිනෝෂි, වෙතුජ,
I have
ජනිරු.
done teacher.
ඕකේ good. වෙතුජ තේරුණාද පුතේ මං කියපුවා?
I understand teacher.
ඕකේ ඕකේ. Don't be shy ලැජ්ජ වෙන්න එපා. තේරෙන්නේ නැත්නම් සිංහලෙන් හරි අහන්න. Okay, shall I go to the next slide? Janiru done පුතේ?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now let me go to the slides again. Yeah.
Teacher, I can't see it.
See the slides?
Can't.
I think it will take some time to load the screen. Just check now.
No.
Okay, let me share it again. What about now?
Now can.
Okay. Here, this is the question. So, here's the answer. It takes 45 minutes, 30, 22, 1 hour and 5 minutes. Yes. I didn't mention the correct order here, but explained it on the board. Next activity. Ruby is going to visit her friend. Ruby is going to visit her friend who lives a long way away. ගොඩාක් දුර ඉන්න යාළුවෙක් බලන්න මෙන්න Ruby යනවා. Ruby's mom is going to drive her there. රූබිගේ අම්මා යාව ඩ්‍රයිව් කරගෙන කාර් එකේ දාගෙන ඔන්න අරන් යනවා. හරිද? Ruby's mom is going to drive her there. Ruby and her mom leave their house. ගෙදරින් පිටත් වුණා. පිටත් වුණා. Leave their house at 10:30 a.m. And they arrived at 1:45 p.m. How long does the journey take? Let me do this example on the board. Because, Minoshi, do you have anything to tell me? Because your hand is raised. Okay. Let me stop sharing here and explain it on the board. On Ruby. Mom. Ruby අම්මයි යනවා ගමන. Okay. They leave their house. Leave their house at 10:30 a.m. What is the how do we represent this time in 24-hour clock? This is AM.
Teacher, I have finished.
Good name. This question? Very
Yes.
fast. Very good, very good. So how do we represent this AM into
The
24?
answer is 2.
Okay. Okay. Let me explain. There are other students know. Okay. If we represent this time in 24-hour clock, we should not add 12 hours because it's AM. It should not do because it's AM. But when it actually arrived at කොයි වෙලාවටද යාළුවා ගෙදරට ගියේ? 1:45 p.m. Now p.m. Here we can convert it into 24-hour clock. We need to do add 12 here. So what's the answer? It's 13:45.
13:45.
Yeah, 13:45. Now, what's the formula to find the duration?
Subtract
Duration is here. End
from
time to end time minus start time. ඉවර වෙච්ච වෙලාවෙන් අඩු කරනවා පටන් ගත්ත වෙලාව. So what is the end time here? Leave time or arrive time? Rituja, tell me. What's the end time?
Finish.
Puta?
Finish. 13:45.
13:45. Very good, Pute. 13:45 is the end time and start time is 10:30. Now we have to subtract. So answer is
3 hours and 15 minutes.
very good. 3 hours and
And
15 minutes.
minutes.
This is the duration. Very good. හැමෝම ලිව්වද? වෙතුජටත් ආවද?
yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Yes,
Okay.
teacher.
මීනෝෂි ඔක්කොටම ඇවිල්ලා good. හා? මේ වගේ වෙනස් ඒවා තියෙනකොට හොඳම දේ එක්සෑම් එකේදී වරදින්නේ you have to convert the time into 24-hour clock. What's the method? If it is PM only, we have to add 12 to the existing time and take the 24-hour clock representation and do the calculations later. Okay. Let me share my screen. Do you want to write it down or shall I move, Pute?
Wrote it.
Others?
Okay, teacher.
No, teacher.
Okay, write it down. How many of you have watched my recordings and did the highlighting on the notes? පුතේ හැමදාම රෙකෝඩින් එක අහන්න ඕනේ ඉවර වුණාට පස්සේ. හරිද? අදම බෑ ඉතින් රෑ වෙනවනේ. හෙට හරි බලන්න ඕනේ. නැත්තම් හරි ලෙඩක් වෙනවා. මම කියලා යනවා ගෙදර ගිහිල්ලා පොත වහලා තිනවා කියපුවා මතක නෑ පස්සේ. එහෙම වෙනවා. Because usually in human brains there's a limit to keep some information in the memory. If you don't revise, that memory getting erased. මෙහෙමයි. දැන් හිතන්නකෝ අපි අද මොන හරි කියවනවා. ඒක ඔළුවට යනවා. ඒක ඉරේස් වෙලා තමයි අලුත් එක ලියන්නේ. හරිද? When we do the studying only that things goes into the deep memory. And in the exam what you are going to do that extracting that information from your deep memory, it's another technique. If you can't, memorizing is another is one way, but taking it away, retrieving it away is another technique. ඔය දෙකම පුළුවන් අය තමයි exam එකට වැඩිපුර score කරන්නේ. හරිද? එතකොට exam papers වලට උත්තර ලියන්නත් ඕනේ. සමහර theories, so there are some theories you should need to know how to apply whatever you have in the memory. If you don't know how to apply, then again you will fail. හරිද? Okay. Setuki, shall I? Minoshi? Shall I share the screen?
Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. Yeah. Then another one. A teacher served for 5 years, 6 months, and 23 days in a school in the Eastern Province, and for 6 years and 8 months and 15 days in a school in the Central Province. He served the rest of his career in a school in the Southern Province. Find in total how long he served in the eastern and central provinces. Can you do that? A teacher served for 5 years, 6 months, and 23 days in a school in the eastern province. Eastern province එකේ සබරගමු පළාත නේද? ඒකේ ඉඳලා තියෙන එක ටීචර් කෙනෙක් අවුරුදු 5යි මාස 6යි දවස් 23ක්. දැන් ටීචර්ස්ලාට මාරුවීම් හම්බෙනවනේ. අවුරුදු 5කට සැරයක් they had to transfer නේ. So in Central Province, again, she has worked 6 years and 8 months and 15 days. First question, find in total how long he served in the Eastern and Central Province. Anyone can tell me which operation should we need to do here. Now we are going to find the total. Anya, add. Anya. තේරුණාද පුතා question එක?
Addition.
ඔව්. ටෝටල් එක හොයන්න කියනවා මේ ටීචර් වැඩ කරලා තියෙන ඊස්ටර්න් උයි සෙන්ට්‍රල් ප්‍රොවින්ස් එකේ මේක එක සබරගම් පළාතේ මධ්‍යම පළාතේ වැඩ කරපු ටෝටල් කාලේ හොයන්න කියනවා. ඒක තමයි first question එක. Try it. Lavya පුතා. And try, once you done first part of this question, try the second part as well. වෙතුජ පුතේ තේරුණාද question එක? Ninoshi?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, good. Try it.
Teacher, I am finished.
We have a Superman here. Very good. Please wait, Putia. Yes. Months. යන්න පුතේ. යන්න. Five years, 6 months. Have you done, Pute? Shall I go to the board? Setuki, Minoshi?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, teacher.
Let's watch how I doing this thing. The board. I wrote how many years, months, and days that teacher worked in Eastern Province School. It's 5 years, 6 months, and 23 days. When it comes to the central province, he has worked 6 years, 8 months, and 15 days. Now we are going to add because it's asking to find you the total duration. Okay? What's the answer here?
8.
8 days.
Here 38. Wait, 38. Here the answer is 38. But can we write 38 here? Vetuja?
Or
Only 30.
Ekane. Vetuja. Can we write 38 days here? Puluwanda Vetuja? No. Why? We know 30 days. පුතේ යන්න. 30 days means 1 month. Okay. So what we have to do here, we subtract 30 days from 38. Now we know here it has 1 month. That month should add to here. Just keep it aside like this. We have to add another 1 month to this total. Just keep it aside like this. But cut this off. 38 and 8 days we can keep. And we should remember this one. Now what's the answer? If we sum 6 and 8, it's 14.
14.
14 months. Again, it's not correct. Why? We know 12 months means මාස 12ක් කියන්නේ 1 year එක අවුරුද්දක්. So what we have to do here, we need to subtract 12 from 14. The answer is 2. Now we know another year is here. So keep that year here. Move the year here. We need to add it later. And keep. Sorry, we forgot to add this one as well, ne? ඔව් පුතේ.
මාලින් එකේ එක එකතු කරාද?
නැහැ, අමතක වුණා. Thank you මතක් කරාට. ගුරුන්ටත් අකුරු වරදී. I forgot. Here the answer is not 14. We forgot to add this one.
30. 2.
No, 6 plus 8 is 14. But we need to add this one as well. Ne? So here the answer should be what? Answer should be 15 here. තේරුණාද පැටලුණාද දැන්? 6 plus 8, 14. From here we got another month. Then 14 plus 1, it's 15. තේරුණානේ? Okay. Now we need to subtract 12 because we know it's already there. The 1 year is already there.
Answer 3.
3.
Answer is 3. Now here we have to keep 3. Sorry, here 3. Now if we add 5 to 6, what's the answer here? 11. And this one as well, it's
12.
12. 12 years, 3 months, and 8 days.
8 days.
He has served to the schools which are located in the central province and southern province. So this is the answer to. Very good. Number 1. Others? What about the others? And the second question they are asking, if he served for 28 years, 2 months, and 2 days in total, his service is 20 years. ඒ කියන්නේ යා මුළු ජීවිත කාලෙම ගුරු වෘත්ති ඉඳලා තියෙනවා. අවුරුදු 28ක් 28 years 2 months and 2 days in total. Then find how long he served in the school in the southern province. Then අපි හෙව්වේ we have already found the eastern province and central province නේ. Another school he was working in the southern province. Southern province. But we shouldn't know how many, what's the duration here. We don't know. It's a question. But we know the total duration. Can I erase this, Puti?
Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Let me erase this part. Yes, this part here. We doesn't know what's the duration for the southern province here. So it's a question. But we know the total duration. What's the total duration? Or the service. His service. අපි කියන්නේ යාගේ සේවා කාලය කියලා. Service එක. What's the duration? It's 28 years, 2 months and 2 days. What's the answer we got for the total for this thing? Eastern province to central province. Can anyone tell me, please?
12 years, 3 months, and 8 days.
8 days.
8
Now,
days.
we have to find the time duration he has served for the southern province. What we have to do? Anya, tell me. What we have to do to find the duration that he worked in the southern province?
Subtract.
Subtract. Because subtract, yes, Puti. The thing is, Eastern province time duration plus Central province time duration plus Southern province time duration is the total service. තේරුණාද අපේ වෙතුජට එහෙම? වෙතුජ තේරුණාද පුතා?
Yes.
Okay. So we need to keep this SP Southern province one here. So for that we know the total. Then what's the formula? We need to subtract the service minus Eastern province plus Central province time duration. So that's what we... Putte?
I made the scripture.
Okay, beta. This is the total duration here. And we already calculated this total. That's why we wrote it here. Now you understood. Now what's the answer here? Let me do the calculation as well. Look at the board. Here we have to subtract 8 out of 2. කරන්න බෑනේ. දෙකක් තියෙන තැනකින් 8ක් අඩු කරන්න බෑ. මොකද කරන්නේ? We need to take 1 year from this 2 months. Now it's 1 month. Here it becomes 12 plus 2 is 14. Got it? මෙතන තිබ්බ 2යි මේ පැත්තෙන් අවුරුද්දක්ම ගත්තනේ. අන්න මට පැටලැවුණ වැඩි. Sorry.
Teacher, months.
මේකනේ එන්න වැරදුනානේ මෙතන 30. මටත් පැටලුණා වැඩි. නේද? month එකක් නේ ගත්තේ. 30 ගත්තා ඔන්න මේ පැත්තට. 30 ගත්තම 32 වෙනවා මෙතන. කොමින් ඉරේස් කරන්න. අයියෝ. කරා වැඩ. මෙතනින් ගත්ත 30 මෙතන තියෙන 2යි 2යි 32 වුණා. Very good. Then what we have to do? We have to subtract 8 out of 32. Isn't it? What's the answer, Puti?
24.
24 days. Very good. Now here we have already taken out 1 month So now it's there only 1 month remaining. Can we subtract 3 out of 1?
No.
No. What we have to do? We need to
One-
take
1 year.
1 year. 1 year, which means how many months?
12.
12. And the remaining month, we need to add it
13.
equals 13. තිබ්බ month එකට මේ පැත්තෙන් ගත්ත අවුරුද්දේම තියෙන මාස 12 එකතු කරා. දැන් තියෙනවා මාස 13ක්. Now it has 13 months. What's the operation? If we subtract 3 out of 13,
10.
10. Vetuja? 10. Isn't it පුතේ? වෙතුජ පටලැවුන්නේ නෑ නේද? තේරුණාද පුතේ කියපු එක?
Yes.
Okay. Then we have already taken out 1 year from here. It has only now 27 years. So what's the answer here? If we subtract
15.
15, very good. Now the answer is 15 years, 10
12
months,
months.
and 24 days.
24 days.
That's the service he has offered for the Southern Province School. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, write it down.
Wrote.
Good. Minuki, Setuki. තේරුණාද පුතේ ජානීරු? සෙනුක් තේරුණානේ? සෙනුක්නේ මට උදව් කරේ. තා පොඩ්ඩෙන් ගම කනවා මම. ළමයින්ට බොරු ගන්නලා කියලා බැනුනුත් අහනවා අම්මලගේ. We have 7 more minutes today, huh? But I am sure you have learned a lot. Give me a minute, Pute. I have a son. He is actually 4 years old. Every time he took my chair away. So I have to go and bring that all the time. අයියෝ. සමහරට බිමත් වාඩි වෙන්න ඉඩ තියෙනවා අමතක වුණොත්.
Every day.
Yes, he is very naughty. Sometimes he is writing on this board as well.
There is a line that he has.
Ah, yes, yes. Excuse. අන්‍ය තේරුණා නේද? දැන් මම මේ දීලා තියෙන්නේ that can be the most difficult question can be given in the exam for grade 7 students. හරිද? So, if you can solve this question, which means you can do anything related to time.
I did that lesson at school.
Ah, okay. Understood now?
Yes.
Okay. All done? Have you wrote the answer, Pute? No? Okay. Tetuki, තේරුණාද පුතා? Understood?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, good. මම මේ ක්ලාස් එකට හරීම ආදරේ. ඇයි දන්නවද? මට වැරදුනත් වැරදි හදන යාළුවෝ ටිකක් ඉන්නවා. ඉන්ටරැක්ටිව් වෙන්න ඕනේ. ඕකේ? එතකොට මට හරි ආසයි උගන්නන්න. තේරෙන්නේ නැත්නම් අහන්න ලැජ්ජ වෙන්න එපා. අපි හැමෝටම බෑනේ පුතේ. මටත් බෑනේ. ඔය සෙනුක් මම කොච්චර වැරදි හැදුවද? ඒ හින්දා කතා කරලා සමහරලාට තේරෙන්නේ නැත්නම් යාළුවගෙන් අහන්නත් පුළුවන් මේ ක්ලාස් එකේ. එහෙම ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. හරිද? ඉන්ටරැක්ටිව් වෙන්න ඕනේ. මම ඇත්තටම ආදරේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ ඔක්කොටම. මම බලාපොරොත්තු වෙනවා හොඳම ළමයි බවට පත් වෙයි කියලා. හොඳට O level results ගන්න. O level වලට වඩා අමාරු actually A level is more difficult than O level. But if you learn these concepts in this age, at this age, so it will not be hard. හරිද? දැන් සෙනු කවුරු වෙන්නද කැමති? ලොකු වුණාම.
I think Shanara is still thinking her future ambition.
ඒක තමයි. සෙනු, what's your ambition, සෙනු?
To be an engineer.
Engineer, then maths is must. Okay. Anya, what's your ambition? ඇහෙන්නේ නැණි පුතේ. ડોක්ටර්. ඒකටත් ඕනි ගණන්. හරි වැඩ තියෙනවා ඒව. තෝ හරියට ගණන් කරලා විසිටර්ස්ලට බෙදන්නත් එපා. ඊට වඩා ඒක ලොකු රාජකාරියක්. ඊට වඩා ඒක ලොකු රාජකාරියක්. එහෙම හිතන්න එපා. හරිම වැදගත් රස්සාවක් ඒකත්. So they will look at your advanced level results, Puti. Okay, when you select and go to their interviews and all, they will look at your results. If you're good in mathematics, they will surely select you. Actually, my father, he was an aeronautical engineer and he worked at Sri Lankan Airlines. Okay. මම දන්නවා ඉතින් ටිකක් ඔය පැත්ත. හරිද? ඒක හොඳ රස්සාවක්. හැබැයි හොඳට ඉගෙන ගන්න ඕන. මොන රස්සාව කරන්නත් ඔයගොල්ලෝ හොඳට ඉගෙන ගන්න. Lavya, I can go to her to take medicine one day. Then what about our Janiru? What's your ambition, Pute?
To be an engineer.
Yeah. Then maths is must. Retuja.
To be a doctor.
අනේ තව හරි ෂෝක්. මට ඉන්න ඩොක්ටර්ස්ලා දෙන්නෙක් බෙහෙත් ගන්න. හරිම හොඳයි. ජනිරු කැමති මොන ඉංජිනේර කෙනෙක් වෙන්නද? What type of engineer? Any idea?
Aeronautical engineer.
Shock. Good then. Setuki, what's your ambition, Puti?
To be a doctor.
අනේ 3 දෙනයි ඩොක්ටර්ස්ලා මාරු මේ ක්ලාස් එක නා. තව එක්කෙනෙක් බබෙක් හිටියා මිසින්. මිනුකිද කොහෙද මෙතන ඉන්ටර්නෙට් නැති වෙන්න ඇති. හරි. එහෙනම් let me share my screen again for 2 minutes. I'll take in 2 minutes. Don't worry. There are other activities. Here. Can you these things at home, Puti? Try this out.
Okay, teacher.
And there are the answers as well, but don't look at the answers. Okay, don't copy it down. Okay, do everything. And can you post the photos? Extra, I wanted to tell you how to find the 24-hour clock. I already showed it at board, how to do it. 24-hour clock, usually it's very much beneficial in the airlines, Anya. Okay? They don't tell the time like 7:25 a.m. No. They are telling the time like this 0725H. And in the PM, it says 1925H. When the pilot is saying that hour, you should correct your watch. Okay? ඇයි මේ රටින් නගින වෙලාව නෙමෙයි බහිනකොට තියෙන්නේ. Time can be different from one country to another country, though they are announcing the time, so you have to adjust it. Okay? Midnight means they are saying 000H. So you should know. Here, that's where the mathematics is beneficial for every profession. Okay? Yes. So if it is AM, we should not add 12 here. And if it is PM only, we should need to add 12 to this time. Yeah, that's what, here I mentioned the calculations. And just when you write the date on your book, follow this method. First year, then month, then date. That's the standard way of writing the time and the date. Okay, that's about it for today. Hope you have understood everything. And do the homework. Have you done that booklet? Anyone has done that booklet? No, ne? If you came across any new term, you should write down that new or the difficult word in a small book. පුතේ. තේරෙන්නේ නැති වචන තියෙනවා නම් පුතාලා ඒක වෙනම පොතක් අරන් ඒ යුනිට් එකේ නම දාලා ලියන්න. එතකොට ඒකේ තේරුමත් ඉස්සරහින් සිංහලෙන් හරි ඉංග්‍රීසියෙන් හරි ලියන්න. හරි? එතකොට දැන් එක්සෑම් පේපර් එකට ලීපිය කියලා ඇහුවට ඕගොල්ලෝ ලීපිය දන්නේ නැත්නම් උත්තර දෙන්න බෑනේ නේද? In the difficult words book එකක් හදන්න ගන්න ඕනේ. Unit එක මේක time. Unit එකේ මාතෘකාව time. Then try to write down all the difficult words. Standard. What's the meaning standard? You can write it as sammata or whatever the meaning in English. හරිද? Booklets maintain කරන්න ඕනේ. හරිද? සෙනුක් මොකද hinaවේ? හරි එහෙනම්. Okay, let's wind up for today. Thank you, kids. Have a good day. Bye.
Thank you, teacher.
Bye. And please join for the science lesson at 6 p.m. Those who are joining for the science lesson, join at 6 p.m. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye, Pute.
Bye, teacher.
Bye.